I shall cancel our school trip to the zoo. Behave.
Why are you looking so bug-eyed, my living light-emitting diode? Have you got everything ready? You are not at all ladylike. And late as always. Oh, shut up, you LED. Be nice to our camera.
Silence. Dolores and Mike, late as usual.
As I always say.
Let's get started. As you know, this is the Creepy Crawlies Institution. And you are all privileged to be part of this renowned school.
What are the privileges of being forced to go to school?
Education, my dear, will help you to understand nature and to survive, as you will see. And now sit down.
Hey!
The subject matter today, the life of trees. Today, we shall see Dolores and Mike's presentation. We are most curious to see your efforts this time round.
Up, down. What? Out. Creepy Crawlies Educational Institute presents The Life of Trees, a film by Dolores and Michael. And Tony. Are we in the shot? I don't believe so. so, the camera isn't focused. Let me see. The angle of the camera isn't right yet. We have to adjust it. Down, down, down. Hey, Tony, it's okay like that. Down. Okay, let's go. And action! Roll it, Tony! Ready? here with you. Where were we? Okay, plants and of course, trees are absolutely essential for our diverse life on Earth. Without plants, there will be no such life on this planet. Why is that? Because trees perform the most important biochemical process on Earth, as we will see. About the roots? Of course, here it is. The roots anchor the tree in the soil and give the tree stability. The roots generally grow downwards and become as multi-branched as the overground part of the tree. An important function of the roots is to absorb and conduct water and minerals from the soil. The tips of the roots are almost as thin as hair. These root hairs are cells which soak up water and nutrients by osmotic pressure. Thus, the roots are a significant organ of the tree. Uh-oh, it's getting dark. I can't see very much. Can't you turn on your gloomy light and illuminate our wonderful tree a bit? You glowworms make things really difficult. I'm fed up with your constant complaints. You will never find a husband in your life. Hey guys, turn on the light. Well, stop nagging now. Oh, that's wonderful. See, that's what fireflies are capable of. Yes, I'm impressed. Yeah. Okay, and do you know how water is transported from the roots to the leaves, even against gravity? Yeah! The roots absorb the water and is then taken to the leaves through a perfect transport system that is arranged like a bundle of pipes. In doing so, the water flows against gravity to the top. How is that possible? There is a pulling effect that helps to suck the water to the crown. The sun causes the water to evaporate from the leaves and thus form a steady suction upwards. That means water is running permanently from the roots to the tips. Finally, water reaches any cell in the tree, especially in the leaves, where it evaporates special chemical process. Trees absorb water, but they can't just live on that. Yes, trees still need more. They get their food by making it themselves. Plants and trees are able to perform the most important and also one of the oldest biochemical processes on Earth. Yes, it's photosynthesis, one of nature's greatest inventions. And how does photosynthesis work? First of all, we have to know why leaves are green. Sometimes you're as bright as me. Leaves are green because of a marvelous substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs the red and blue parts of sunlight, but reflects the green, thus giving plants their characteristic hue. That's right, so the green color derives from the chlorophyll and the vital sunlight which plants need to live. Unlike you night owl. You ladybug, beetle spotted thingamajig. Don't get so cheeky, or I'll turn your lights off. I can easily take care of myself. By the time the sun rises, green plants and thus trees achieve something fantastic: photosynthesis. And this is how the wondrous transformation takes place. Air reaches the inside of the leaves through tiny pores on the lower surface. The tree breathes air in. The leaves are green because of chlorophyll, thanks to which these leaves are food factories. The ingredients are water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, combined with sunlight that is basically what all plants need. The chloroplasts, the organelles inside the plant cell, create the food, the carbohydrates that enable the plants to live, grow, and reproduce. Chlorophyll and some accessory pigments harvest the energy delivered from the sun. The byproduct of this process is oxygen. The leaves release the oxygen back into the air. This is the miracle of photosynthesis. And it means plants are responsible for the great diversity of life on our planet. We will not exist without this unique and marvelous invention from plants. So we all owe our lives to plants. So plants breathe through the leaves, and as a byproduct, plants produce what we all need to survive: the oxygen which forms a part of the atmosphere. Thank you, tree. You help us get fresh air. So plants made our earth habitable for a great diversity of life. And today, they also capture carbon dioxide given off by factories and cars that pollute our air. That's how trees clean the atmosphere. I really dig trees. My tree. Either by birds, bats, the wind, water, bees, bumblebees, butterflies, or other insects. You see how important we insects are for many plants to reproduce. And after the pollination, trees produce fruits and seeds. At least most of them. Like this one here, which produces apples. And pears. And coconuts. And oranges. And cherries. And grapes. Hey guys, show us the glory. What is this? A tree can only produce one kind of fruit. My thoughts exactly.
Just a little joke.
Once the apple fruits are ripe, they fall down. And then new little trees sprout from the seeds inside the fruits. And some years later, this little rascal will produce apples himself. Too right. Oh, it's hot! What's up now? Oh, I'm burning out because I've glowed so much. Then switch off your lights. Ah, look at all these pals of mine. Every night they show up here, doing some, I don't know. But look at these industrious firebugs. My wonderful friends. My special species. I think your lights were burnt out. Are you completely nuts? What nasty words for such a romantic view of millions of shimmering fireflies. Those aren't fireflies, dimwit. They are stars. Millions of stars. The Milky Way, suns, galaxies, Stargate, Star Trek. Never heard of them? You haven't got a clue. Cause you really watch too much TV. I'm getting cold anyway. Too hot, too cold. You are a really high maintenance person. Actually, this is a very complex process that happens inside the plants. The leaves fall down as the tree pulls back all the essential nutrients into the trunk and prepares for wintertime. The chlorophyll is cut back and the leaves dry out until they drop. Just like you. That's it for today. I'm really tired. That's a wrap. My beloved human friends, what we all should not forget is that in nature, all living beings and everything that exists belong together somehow. The plants, the animals, and you, the humans, the most intelligent species on Earth. Without trees, diversity of life would be impossible on Earth. The green plants are extremely important for life on our wonderful planet. Every breath we take, we owe to the green organisms. Therefore, let's protect our green companions whenever we can. Let's enjoy our planet and its marvels. That's it. Now you can switch off your light. Yeah. Very well then, my beloved Mikey boy. You always say that humans are the most intelligent species on Earth. We are also quite clever.
Wave the mighty arms now, reach out and take the